Hey.
Welcome to Blizzard World.
I think I know Louis. I'm pretty sure he's good.
Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Hello, friends. I'm here to offer free tutorials on how to unblock your privated profile, if anybody would like it.
Do you have a tutorial on how to avoid Junkrat one tricks?
Yes, you actually right-click on the okay.
Jesus.
Okay.
Fucking hell.
It's a perfect day for some mayhem.
Hello, Slayer.
This one's for you.
I'm a sim one trick.
Are you on run?
I'm a flex also.
You're gonna have to do me a favor and get your mic out of your fish tank.
Excuse me?
I believe he said you're gonna have to do him a favor and get your mic out of your fish tank.
My fish died.
Attackers incoming in 30
Oh, that's why you replaced it with the mic. Got it.
To honor him.
ازيك؟ Come on, come on, come on! I hate waiting!
Can we just all be friends?
Shut up, Louis.
Can we just all be
Louis,
friends?
why?
Louis, why?
Hey,
What the heck?
is that washed up, Louis?
Hey, you guys, you can all
you
use.
know
How
it.
do we know that's not an L at the
We
end?
can all use the stay as team
Lowercase
feature after
L.
this.
defend your
I don't think anyone wants that.
I won.
That's a widow. Oh my god.
I got you. What are we holding? You know, let's go back to point.
Nice shot. Sorry, Swan.
I don't know.
I'm low, I'm low.
Come on,
My
we are.
shield's recharging.
I'm reloading.
At 1,000.
Need healing! Need healing!
Reloading.
Sorry, it's low.
Oh my god. Jesus. I was just pulled a George.
Shut up.
Oh, what?
Chad, you mean?
But no. I pulled a George.
Hey Chad, I remember one-shotting you with Symmetra.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
I right-clicked with Orb and I
Is Sim
smacked
even in
the
comp right
face.
now?
Yes, he is.
Oh, weird, didn't know that.
It's really
My first game today.
Dude, how do you not remember? I typed it in chat just to let you know.
Wait, Sims in comp?
Yeah.
No way.
Rotate. Too late.
I'm black. 200 MS.
double kill.
Dizian's one.
Dude, oh my god.
Wait a
grab.
minute.
Because I wanted.
Dude.
Why?
You were so washed.
That's actually
What
the
is
biggest
solo
grab I've
grab
ever
of
seen.
Mercy? What's wrong with solo grabbing a Mercy?
Nothing at all.
Hey, we already
You
won.
want to show off.
Hey, guys, I solo tire mercies all the time. What's up?
Shut
It's
up.
basically the same thing.
I'll
You
just
solo
shatter.
tired everything.
I just have to build another grab, okay? I just need
Oh shit, Widow on the left, Widow on the left.
Oh, Widow's main. Widow.
Oh, never mind, that's not good.
Guys want to see this play?
We're all stacked up.
Res me.
Yo, I'm gonna die.
I got shattered.
You.
Go, I'm dead. You have no heals. No heals. Mercy's behind you.
Oh, it's winnable. Sorry, I get him.
Back first feels bad.
Chad, if you don't get a triple.
60 seconds.
Yeah, I built another grab for you.
I got one.
So it's all counting.
Objective
Yo, I'm in deep.
stop the payload.
And I can't move because I don't want to shoot this Widow mine. And alright, nice.
Here, I shot the Widow mine. Widow left.
That was a different Widow mine.
Hello there.
Oh, there can only be one.
He replaced it.
I guess I'll stand down the vent.
You ready? I have grab.
Use it.
Reloading.
Yes!
Triple kill.
That's all I want.
You're so stupid.
Your suicide.
What was up, right?
Hey man, don't question my tactics, okay?
Hey, but Mercy's
Mercy
so
behind. Mercy behind.
So honestly impressive. But at the same time, like,
Dude, kill
Mind numbing.
Mercy.
yo, can we kill?
No.
Kidding.
Hey, human. Thank you.
Yo, healer,
I had to
Never mind.
rotate.
I got moved. Get back, get back. Oh, that's huge. I'm coming in. Back.
Nice.
Let's jump on point. I'm gonna smack him.
I'm standing point. Okay.
Alright.
I think he was expecting you to shatter or something.
I have a grab here.
Hanzo answering.
Go huge. You killed their carries.
I ain't gonna do anything. Please.
I have grab here.
No, dude, I have good aim. Don't worry about it.
Hey, Louis.
C9, 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 C9. Ha, I
Louis,
got
I'm
you.
right here.
Ah, made me look.
I can dive up. I can dive up.
Bait.
Okay. I'll try to get him close.
I can dive. Oh shit. Sorry, sorry.
Sorry, no personal.
Bubble Juice, just get out.
Let's, I'm near point.
Okay.
I'm still ready.
Someone's
I'm waiting
answered
for
on
them.
I'm coming top.
Okay, I'm doing it now. Doing it.
60 seconds.
What the fuck,
What?
Zen's your only healer.
What
Right
was that?
Wait, I'm gonna die.
I stayed scoped in as Ana against 2 snipers.
Hanzo right above you.
Nice. I can shoot you out.
She wants me. Thank you so much. I'm a predator. Okay.
You think I would let a fellow comrade die?
Never. Don't stop him playing. He's fine.
Shoots up.
Yo, that needed one person.
10 seconds remaining.
What the?
Don't you love it when
Oh, there-
is transcendent? That's great.
Can we win this? I want to.
We win this?
I can.
No one's on point.
No.
They got on.
We got Mercy.
Shit.
Yeah, Mercy, we can.
I have nano.
We have one more fight.
I'm gonna put it on Junk.
I threw
No,
it.
don't put it on. Don't.
Do it. Just get him off.
Hanzo,
She's one.
Widow to your left.
Don't see that.
There's one.
I whacked.
Don't put it on Junk. Said.
I'm sorry, I have bad game sense.
What? No.
You know.
I put it on Junk. That worked.
0.
I know.
one.
Your call was
Switching
superior to
sides.
my call.
Oh, you're the one that said don't put it on you?
No, that wasn't me.
Prepare to
That was Louis, dude.
Select.
Yeah, that sounds like something I would say.
I'm lost. I'm just gonna leave the conversation.
I'm just gonna.
I'll endorse for endorse.
Dude, I used to be a good toxic Overwatch player. Now I'm a PMA washed fill player.
All I remember, like, I have like very vague memories of you, Louis. But I think the only one I actually like truly remember is just getting like a bullshit cross map damage boost Junkrat thingy, like as when you were a tracer.
Perfect
I mean, that
time
was just
for
it.
some mayhem.
It shouldn't have worked. Like,
I remember you
so-
flaming me.
I flamed everyone on the point. I think I flamed every single person.
Dude, I flamed you back when you were good.
Dude, Lou, you're trapped.
I I'm a trap. That's
Hey,
important.
Patty,
Oh, you're trapped.
Wait, Patty. Hey, guess what? Trap's okay.
The hunter lays a trap for his prey.
Got him, dude.
They're homies, dude.
Commences in 30 seconds.
Traps are gay, but it's still like.
Yo, yeah, let's
traps.
teleport.
Yo, what if? Okay,
I've established.
what if your
high
homie's a
ground.
trap? You know,
What if you're what?
right?
If
Chad?
your homie's a trap and you're
Oh, no, that's not
gay, then that's gay.
What?
If you fuck your homie that's a trap, that's gay.
I would have to argue.
Shit, man, you might be onto
Unless he
something
has like
here.
a foot king.
Unless it's the other way around.
One. Attack
You getting fucked by the trap,
commences.
or
Capture
No,
objective
like a
A.
CB instead of a like a like.
I'll take him following you, man.
If you're not following me, then follow me on Twitter.
Okay, reported.
Let's go left.
Motherfucker. He meant to hit you, Chad.
So lit.
Hello there.
I'm 70 on fire.
Reloading.
Oh, our
fell.
Our widow's
I
behind them.
fell.
Our widow's behind them. This is huge. This is huge.
You'll like this one.
Fighting up here.
Whoa.
Okay,
It's
that's
huge.
fine.
It's huge. It's huge.
This is huge.
It was a distraction.
Yeah,
Big,
I
big.
thought it was huge.
I think I need a shield.
I'm just gonna spam until I get tired.
My shield's going down. Let it recharge a bit.
Let it read.
Oh!
Oh, it's huge.
I'm going in! Zarya's one, Zarya's one.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm a cop.
oh.
Hey guys, watch this strat. So they're gonna hold right here, and I'm here for fire. But no.
Oh,
Alright,
sexy jump.
right. Here we go. Alright, I gotta tell myself slightly. Here we go. You think they'll see that?
Objective A.
I think I'm
Yes.
Okay.
But don't worry, I'll bubble you. I'll bubble you.
How does it look?
I'll bubble you. But they see you.
Ah! Your jokes aren't good with me! Oh shit, I'm gonna get shot.
Don't worry, I'm coming back, Anna.
No one can hide.
Look at that Zarya. I think she's so smart by bubbling her friends.
You guys say Anna or Anna?
I say Anna.
I say Anna, I think.
I say Anna because I'm
I just say whatever my tongue wants.
I say old bitch.
Oh,
That's a
Jesus.
spicy one. Hanzo underneath.
They don't have Widow, that's huge.
Just don't have your main healer up there.
That's not nice.
what are the fucking Shimano bros?
Shattered.
I'm leaving you.
I am dead. I have grab. You have this.
I can. They're gonna have trans, so we should always wait for it.
Yeah. Oh wait.
I got the big brain,
Or
right?
we don't need to
I
wait for
trans,
entire-
I trans, right? And then it makes them trans, and then we
It's a
use
big
our shit.
slam.
Sorry, bad.
Don't like it.
Who am I nanoing?
Like I can jump over them. You can
Oh yeah, I'll nano
Oh,
you.
we can just grab tire now.
No, that won't work. They're gonna split. I just reckon you grab and you nano Junkrat. I jump over the shield and you just
Got you.
I still think grab tire will work.
I mean, I can tire, I guess.
No, I like your idea. I like your idea better.
Zarya can
Hey, guys, ready?
I'm ready, father.
It's going down.
Oh my god.
Sorry, one.
You also jumped over the shatter with that mine, by the way.
Yeah, sure. Yo,
It's worse.
how do you avoid Junkrat one
Probably just kill yourself.
Yo, who wants that big shot caller endorsement?
Oh hell yeah,
I do.
let's go.
Yeah, I got you, my dude.
I'll give it to
Anyone
everyone.
else? Aqua? Aqua?
Hey, wait a minute, that's not shot caller.
Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else?
Fire at will.
Daddy, you want shot caller?
Pepper.
Big shot caller.
Silver healing as main healing. But okay.
This is a big YouTube. Alright, thank you, love you.